Welcome to One Pot Dish. We get asked a lot, how do you make your bacon crispy? Follow this short video and you'll get crispy bacon every time. First, make sure the parchment paper is cut or folded to the right size. If it flaps over the edges of the bacon, it will stop the heat from making it crispy. So size it up first before you start putting on the bacon. So when we put the bacon onto the tray and the parchment paper, don't overlap it. Same thing will happen. If you overlap the bacon, the piece underneath is not going to get crispy. One of the great things about cooking bacon this way is you don't get the fat spitting everywhere, because the oven slowly takes away the moisture and the bacon just crisps up beautifully. So you cook it at about 340 degrees for 10 minutes, watching closely so that the bacon doesn't burn. You'll get crisp, beautiful bacon every time. I've got to sign off now because I'm having bacon. Thanks for watching our tip. Bye for now from One Pot Dish.